Hey guys, welcome to LeetCode 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. In this challenge, we are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. We are to remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element only appears once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. We need to change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. We then need so then the remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. We need to return k. Okay. So in this case, let's say we had an array of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We would be looking to end up with an array of 1, 2, 3. Only the unique elements. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, right? So here, what we're looking to do is use a two-pointer method in which we'll be comparing. So we'll be looping through our array. And if the last element is different, we're going to place the current element in k's position, or rather our counter's position. So in this case, once we get to here, we're going to be rewriting 3 to be in this position. And so, in terms of code, this will look a lot like this, right? So, here, we're going to declare our integer k. We're also going to declare an integer for the length for our loop, so the length of the array. And then what we're going to do is a for loop, which so our for loop is for int I is less than length ln, sorry, yeah, and I is incremented. So then in this case, with our if statement, we're going to be looking for nums k does not equal nums I. We will then increment k by 1 and print nums I where nums k was. So nums I. And in the end, we're going to return k plus 1, because we're counting the number of elements, but when we're using an index, it starts from 0 onwards. So, but to return the actual number of elements, we need to add 1. And so in here, what we can do is we can make this code a little bit shorter before we send this. We can delete this and subsequently the semicolon, and we can do nums.length. Right, we can directly paste what was here into here, and this will work. So in the end, we should get a pretty good result. Yeah, there we go. So in this case, our result looks a bit like this, in that we have a fast runtime, better than average, I would say, decent memory. But in the end, I think a pretty simple solution to understand. And yeah. If you have any questions, if you know of a way to do it better, if you have anything to say, please leave a comment. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.